Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to resolve the passwd command error on RHEL. First, you need to check the SELinux mode. Next, inspect the main PAM configuration files. Continue by verifying that essential PAM modules exist. Now, check if PAM is installed. If not installed, you need to install PAM. Reinstall to restore any missing or corrupted modules, and ensure PAM is installed properly. After installation, recheck the critical modules. Finally, test the password change again. Next, back up the existing configuration. Continue to restore the standard configuration. Next, delete existing content and enter the standard configuration. Then, set correct permissions and ownership. Finally, test the password again.